game a long time, you know. We're going to be going around all over the country just checking out what car dealers got on their lot. You want to know what a truck's about. I'm going to show you what a truck's about because I'm going to compare everybody's trucks to ours, okay? We show you everything, okay? I just went to this dealer's lot and you can see the video of the car dealer that's trying to sell the 3500 Blue Patriot, Blue Cummins 6-speed there. Okay, if you look underneath that truck, it's all covered with oil. It's got 100 oil leaks. The injection pump is old. I know because I saw the truck at the auction and I didn't buy it. You know, these guys buy what I won't buy, and they'll try to clean it up and detail it up and make it look like my trucks, you know. And that's really sad because the customer doesn't know. If you want to buy a Cummins diesel truck, you need to know what you're buying, and you need to know how to establish price. Just because somebody sells a truck for $12,000 does not mean it's the same quality truck as anybody else's. You got to be very careful about what you buy because you could get burned very, very easy. And you don't want to do that. You don't want to get burned. Your money is hard-earned money. You know where you got it. Money's not free. If you want something that's going to last you, and I will repeat this again, last you a long time, you buy a truck from NewYorkDiesels.com. If you want a truck that's not going to last you, it's going to fall apart, it's going to be rusty, oil leaks, transmission breaks. Guys, it's $4,000 just for a tranny, a reman tranny in one of these trucks. The clutch, by the time you do the clutch, the flywheel, the rear main, and everything, you know, you're looking around 5 G's. Don't get burned by these car dealers, man. I'm just, you know, hey, there's enough people out there to buy my trucks. I just don't want you people to get burned. You know, NYDiesels.com versus anybody else, that doesn't even hold a candle. So watch out for these guys. Know what you're looking for. Don't buy rust. Find value in what John the Diesel Man does. Find the value. Add up the parts. Go to the Chrysler dealer. Say, John the Diesel Man did all this work. See how much that would have cost. Thousands, tens of thousands of dollars. Then you'll understand what we do and how you get the price and what value means. Value, guys. Don't look at a vehicle and say, I can't pay that for a 2001. That's not value. If you can buy a truck that's going to last you